Hi, I'm Marcy Degman, the Aspiring Gardener, and today we're going to talk about ideas for planting specimen trees. Now, a specimen tree is a tree that gives you year-round interest. And generally, you're going to be planting it where you walk, along a driveway, in the center of a bed, maybe right outside your window, places that you're going to see a lot. So it's really important that you get a plant that is nice in every season. Now this is a strawberry tree, Arbutus unido, which is one of the nicest plants around for that purpose. It has really nice peeling bark. So even in the middle of winter, you've got this wonderful stringy bark. But even more, it's an evergreen tree. There's different sizes. They have shrub-sized ones as well that are maybe only 3 or 4 feet tall now. This one, I think, could get 12 to 15 feet, but it would be very easy to keep it at 8 feet or so like it is right now. And as you can see, it's kind of an open tree too. So it's not really dense and it's not going to take up a lot of space. You can keep it fairly narrow and let it go up higher rather than out. So I've got it kind of out here right next to my driveway and my walkway so that we can see it every time we pass by. And the reason I did that is because I've got fall flowers right now, as you can see. They're kind of urn-shaped flowers like you'd have on a blueberry, but they're very cute. They're little white clusters. And right now it's November. Into December, it develops little round red fruit, which are edible but kind of mealy. So you usually don't want to eat them, but the birds will eat them so quick that you'll never have to pick any up off the ground. So you've got a wonderful plant for December. It almost is perfect for Christmas. And it's got kind of a gnarly shape. I really like the way it grows, almost windswept, like it's on the beach or something. You can easily shape it and trim it. You get a lot of these little branches that'll come off, and you might want to trim those if you want to see the bark really well. This is a perfect example of a specimen shrub. Evergreen year-round. Flowers in the fall, berries in the winter, and in the summer you just have this wonderful green color and you've got the bark all year round, so you have something to look at all the time. Other good specimen trees, birch with the white bark, crepe myrtle has wonderful peeling bark, the tree forms do. They have flowers in late summer to fall, which is a really rare thing. Your maples like coral bark, paper bark, those are perfect specimen trees because they have wonderful bark when nothing is on the tree at all. And a lot of those don't have the evergreen leaves. They don't have the berries, but they always have the beautiful bark. So if you want a specimen tree, think year-round. Look to see what it does in every season, and if it's good all year round, you've got a good specimen tree.